we're off to Positano today. And we're taking the bus. Hindi kami mag-ferry. Yesterday kasi we took the ferry. Kasi medyo mas convenient yun, going to Capri. But this time, we're going to explore Positano. And we're taking the Sita bus. Mas mura siya than the ferry. It's 250 per head. Euros, and mas frequent din yung alis niya. And, pero medyo mas matagal ng kaunti. And actually, same lang yung port niya dito sa Amalfi. So this is the bus stop. Parang ito yung hintayan ng bus. And then, doon naman kami sumakay yesterday for the ferry going to Capri. So, kaya when you go here, I would definitely recommend you staying here in the center of Amalfi, or just mga katabi na towns lang. Like kami, we stayed in Atrani. So, few minutes walk away lang siya sa Amalfi. And kaya kami nagstay doon is mas less yung crowd. And pangalawa, syempre, mas affordable. Hindi siya nasa sentro. But, it's almost the same. And going here naman from Atrani, makakakita ka na ng mga cafe. So, while walking, pwede ka nang uminom ng coffee mo and yung breakfast mo, no? So, para when you go here, sasakay ka na lang ng bus and then you're off to explore another city. So, we'll see you later. This is the view from the top. So, from the bus stop, bumaba kami sa medyo steep na hagdan para makapunta dun sa pinaka-center ng Positano. And then, this is the way connecting to the other part of the beach, which is going there, pababa. Diyan tayo pupunta. All the way down. And we are here. So, 15 each daw per beach day bed. Ricotta ravioli and frito misto. Yun, so ito yung fish, mother fish, and then shrimp, and the squid. Nagstay sa Fili Grassi. So, siya yung may blue and white stripes na umbrella. And I guess, okay na siya for the price. Kasi 25 euro per day bed. So, 50 kami ni Pepe. And the others, like yung mga nandun, actually maraming tao nga doon. Parang 35 to 40 per day bed. So, naisip namin na dito na lang kami sa mas mura kasi same lang din naman yung aming view. Look. Yan. Doon kami nang galing actually. Yan yung hinahin namin today. And it's a good day to be at the beach and just soak in some Italian sunshine. Hindi siya ganun kainit than I expected, but sobrang understandable to have this kind of weather here ng October na. Kaya sabi actually ng mga tao, like yung mga locals dito, sa niya medyo less crowded na nga talaga yung place. So, I guess magandang time din pumunta. Yun nga lang, kailangan mo mag-sundance kung umuulan. So, there are 3 sides of Positano. Siyempre, ito yung pinaka-expensive side. And when you go here, wala lang kahit anong beach club dito. So, you're free to just stay there, buy your own beer. Pero kami, we stayed there sa kabila. We went up that hill and then we went to the other side. Giving me the vibes of Station 1 dito sa area na to. Kasi parang upscale, like mas madaming hotels na beachfront. So, syempre pag beachfront, mas mahal. And definitely, if you want to rent the day beds there, mas mahal. Opted to stay in the cheaper side of Positano, which is the other side, yung pinakita namin kanina. But, if you have the budget, you can always stay here. Good morning from Amalfi. And let me show you and give you a quick Airbnb tour and sa neighborhood kung saan kami nagstay sa Amalfi. So, it's called Atrani. And you will see this. Papasok tayo dyan. So, parang may small alley. And then, our Airbnb is on this side. Yeah. It's a door. Ang mabigat. And, pagpasok mo, hagdan agad. Hagdan agad. Tapos, akit mo ng stairs. Andito na yung dalawang upuan. This is the bed. And then, we have a big window here. Makikita mo yung kapitbahay. Buongiorno. And, walang aircon. Dahil malamig dito sa kanila. Pag akit mo na naman, mayroong parang small table na mga welcome snacks and tea and another big window, kaya ang daming pinapasukan ng malamig na air. Then ano ba to? Ilaw ba to? Ayan, may maliit na ref, may tawag dito, microwave, and ito ang itsura ng CR. So, syempre, sinasara namin yung malaking window pag naliligo. And that's it. We had a nice stay here at Gregory's Place. So, if you want to go here and book here as well, kay Gregory, I'll give you the link here. And sobrang bait niya din and very helpful siya. Ang nagustuhan ko sa kanya is that yung susi niya, meron na siyang QR code. Then, kapag in-scan mo yung QR code na to, nandito na yung guide niya. Nandito na din yung mga bus, train, ferry na schedule. As in, sobrang helpful niya. Pati yung mga nire-recommend niyang mga restaurants around the area. Plus, kung ano pa yung mga hidden secrets dito sa Atrani area. Ang ganda. Amalfi Day. Masusearch na din siya sa Google. Marami siyang mga pinaparent na mga Airbnb dito sa Amalfi. So, it's our last day here in Amalfi. And we're waiting for the ferry. Actually, si Pay nandun na siya. And ako, I will just grab some breakfast. Nagustuhan kasi namin yung cannoli yesterday. Yung pistachio cannoli. So, pero ngayon, iba naman. But this is our go-to, breakfast place. Savoya. Aww! Day off, see you tomorrow, sabi. I hate it naman. Okay, close pala sila pag Mondays. We'll look for another place. So, we got this again. And croissant with butter. Dami. Meron silang takeaway. We're inside Andrea Panza. And also, coffee is takeaway. So, we're waiting here. So, we got our breakfast already at Andrea Panza. And Tawid na tayo. Puntahan na natin ulit si Pei. So, I forgot yung pangalan. Stracciatella, parang ganun. Basta masarap siya kasi yun yung may ricotta cheese on top. Tapos, may isa naman is croissant na may cream din sa loob. And our cappuccino.